Hello everybody. In this video I want to introduce you to how to create variables. You've seen me use them in other videos where I basically passed variables as a reference into functions, and in this video I want to show you how they're created. The whole premise of variables is to make applications more secure and more loosely coupled, meaning that, for example, in the case of a host URL, you could change the host URL on the fly. This could be because you migrate a customer from one instance to another. It could be because you migrate the instance or upgrade it. It could be because a customer wants to switch a different region. So there's a bunch of reasons why something like this might change. And you don't want to have to go back and modify your functions. You don't want to have to go back to your partners and tell them to change their integrations. So you want to be able to abstract this into something configurable at runtime that basically such that the code basically stays intact. So to create a variable, you basically just specify the host URL, the context, the secret, and the value. You can also provide a description, or you can let the AI generate a description. So here I didn't provide it, meaning that the AI kicked in and said, great, let me go ahead and create a description for this. In the case that it's a secret, the AI does not have access to the value, so don't worry. It basically just generates it off of the ID and the context. Great, so now we have our host URL. Now let's go ahead and do the same thing for our client ID and client secret. So I'm gonna go ahead and modify this to be true. And it's gonna be, let's say, logistics, my app 1, and we'll go ahead and say client ID. Okay, so I'll specify my client ID value of client 123. We'll go ahead and hit send. And client ID, it's debatable. Some people view it as kind of like a username, so it should be tried. You should try and keep it secret. Other people view it as something that you don't have to keep secret. It's just an identifier. So I'll let you decide for yourself as you do this. And then we'll do client secret here. And we'll just do secret 123. Again, everything here is going against the mock service, so it really doesn't matter. This is just for illustrative purposes. So I'll go ahead and hit send. And this creates our client secret. So pretty straightforward. You can obviously automate this given that it is an API, so you can have automated provisioning as necessary. Thanks so much, and hope you enjoyed the video.